Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we will see the word problems of quadratic equations. In my previous video, we have seen different methods to find the roots of quadratic equations. So if you want to watch that, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. Now let's see this problem. It says the sum of two natural number is 28 and their product is 192. Find the numbers. So here it says sum of two natural number is 28. So we don't know that two numbers, right? So let's take required number be x and 28 minus x. So if you wonder how this 28 minus x came here, that is nothing but, if you see the first number is x, we have taken x, right? Plus, let's say a is your second number, which is equal to, sum of their numbers is equal to 28, right? So here second number is nothing but 28 minus x, right? So now your two numbers are x and 28 minus x, right? Their product is 192. So you have two numbers x and 28 minus x. So their product is 192, right? Now let's multiply this x to this term. We have 28x plus into minus is minus x square, which is equal to 192. Now let's bring this to the standard form, that is bringing this minus x square to the right hand side. That will be x square minus 28x plus 192 is equal to 0, right? So here a is 1, b is minus 28 and your c is 192. Now let's put the formula to find the roots of this quadratic equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? So here minus b is minus of minus 28. So plus or minus square root of b square minus 28 square is 784 minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 192, right? So divide by 2 into a here is 1. So minus of minus is plus 28. So plus or minus square root of, so here we have 784 minus 4 into 192 is 768 divided by 2, which is equal to 28 plus or minus. So here 784 minus 768 is 16. So square root of 16 is 4. That is 4 4s are 16, right? By 2. That is your x is 28 plus 4 by 2 or x is equal to 28 minus 4 by 2, right? So 28 plus 4 is 32 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. So your x is 16. In this case, x is equal to 28 minus 4 is 24 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So here x is 12. So your roots are 16 or 12. So when your first number is 16, your second number will be 28 minus 16, that is 12, right? So if x is 12, your second number will be 28 minus 12, that is 16. Therefore, the required numbers are 16 and 12. Now let's see one more problem. Now let's see this. Here it says the sum of squares of two consecutive positive even numbers is 452. Find the numbers. It says sum of squares of two consecutive positive even numbers. Now what is consecutive positive even number? Consecutive means very next number. Say if one number is x, the very next positive even number is x plus 2, right? Say if x is 2, the next even number is x plus 2 is 2 plus 2, 4, right? So now let's take two consecutive positive even number be x and x plus 2. That is let required numbers be x and x plus 2. That is x square plus x plus 2 the square, right? Their sum is equal to 452, right? So now let's simplify this. X square plus a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2 into ab, right, plus b square, which is equal to 452. Since a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We have x square plus x square plus 2 2s of 4x plus 2 square is 4, which is equal to 452, right? So 2x square plus 4x plus 4 and minus 452 will give you minus 448, which is equal to 0, right? So now divide this equation by 2. Here x square plus 2 2s are 4, right, minus 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, right, which is equal to 0 by 2 is 0. So now we got a quadratic equation which is in standard form, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and your c is minus 224, right? So now you have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. We know by using formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? So your required number will be 14 and 16. Do try this out. Now let's move on to another problem. So now we have 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Find their present ages. So first let's take the present age of son be x years. Let present age of son be x years. Alright. Son's age 1 year ago. So son's age 1 year ago is x minus 1 years, right? That is before 1 year. Here it says 1 year ago man was 8 times as old as his son. So therefore man's 1 year ago age is 8 times as old as his son. So 8 times age of son 1 year ago is x minus 1. They are talking about 1 year ago, right? Which is nothing but 8x minus 8 years, right? Now what is man's present age? So man's present age is, this is his age 1 year ago. So when you add plus 1, that will give you a present age. That is 8x minus 8 plus 1, right, years. So man's present age, we have 8x minus 8 plus 1 is equal to the square of his son's present age, right? So square of his son's present age is x. So square of his present age. So here, which implies 8x minus 7 is equal to x square, right? So now let's bring this to standard form. X square minus 8x plus 7 is equal to 0. So here a is 1, b is minus 8, and your c is 7. So now if you apply the formula to this quadratic equation, that is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, you will get x is equal to 1 or 7. Ideally 1 is not correct, because if son's age is 1, his father's age should be the square of his son's age. So which is not possible, right? So your x value is 7. That means the son's present age is 7 and man's present age is 7 square. That is 7 sevens of 49 years, right? Do try this out. Now let's see this problem. Here it says the sum of the reciprocals of Meena's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years hence is 1 by 3. Find her present age. First let's take her present age be x years. So let Meena's present age be x years. Alright. So here it says sum of the reciprocal of Meena's age 3 years ago and 5 years hence. So reciprocal of Meena's age 3 years ago, that is x minus 3, right? And we have reciprocals of Meena's age 5 years hence, that is 1 by x plus 5, right? So their sum is equal to 1 by 3, right? I hope you got the point. Now we have to simplify this equation taking LCM, that is x minus 3 and x plus 5. Here x plus 5 plus x minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 3, right? So when we cross multiply, which implies 3 into x plus x is 2x plus 5 and minus 3 is plus 2, which is equal to 1 into x minus 3 and x plus 5, right? So here 3 2s are 6x plus 3 2s are 6, which is equal to, now multiply this, x into x is x square, x into 5 is plus 5x, minus 3 into x is 3x, minus into plus is minus, 3 5s are 15, right? So now let's further simplify. So we have 6x plus 6, which is equal to x square plus 5x and minus 3x will give you plus 2x minus 15, right? Now let's write this in the standard form. Here x square plus 2x and minus 6x will give you minus 4x, right? So we have minus 15 and minus 6 will give you minus 21, which is equal to 0, right? So now this equation is in the standard form where a is equal to 1, b is minus 4 and your c is minus 21, right? Now apply the formula. We know x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So you have to get x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 7, which is in years, right? So ideally when you substitute x is equal to 3, here 3 minus 3 is 0, so 1 by 0 is infinity, which is not possible, right? So your x value should be 7, which is nothing but the Meena's present age is 7 years. That is, therefore, present age of Meena's is 7 years. Now let's see this problem. It says a truck covers a distance of 150 km at a certain average speed and then covers another 200 km at an average speed which is 20 km per hour more than the first speed. If the truck covers the total distance in 5 hours, find the first speed of the truck. So first let's take first speed of the truck be x km per hour. That is, let the first speed of the truck be x km per hour. Here it says the truck covers a distance of 150 km at a certain average speed. So time taken to cover 150 km is 150 by x, that is speed is equal to distance by time. So time taken is nothing but distance by speed. So 150 by speed here is x kilometers per hour, right? And the question continues, then it covers another 200 km at an average speed which is 20 km per hour more than the first speed. That is, time taken to cover another 200 km at an average speed which is 20 kilometer per hour more than the first speed, right? First speed, which is nothing but 200 by speed is 20 kilometers more than the first speed. Here the first speed is x plus 20, right? Which is nothing but kilometer per hour. So here also kilometer per hour, okay? Further it continues, truck covers the total distance in 5 hours, that is 150 by x plus 200 by x plus 20 is equal to 5. So now we have to simplify this equation, but before that pause the video and note this down. So we have 150 by x plus 200 by x plus 20, which is equal to 5, right? Okay, so now we will take 50 outside here. So 50, 3 is a 150 by x plus 54 is a 200 by x plus 20, right, which is equal to 5. So 5 ones are 5, 0, right? So we are left with 10 into 3 by x plus 4 by x plus 20, which is equal to 1, right? So now let's take LCM here. We have 10 into 3 into x plus 20 plus 4 into x by x into x plus 20, right, which is equal to 1. So let me continue here. We have 10 into 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 20 is 60 plus 4x by x into x plus 20, right, which is equal to 1. So 10 into 3x plus 4x will give you 7x plus 60 divided by x into x is x square plus 20x, right, which is equal to 1. 10 into 7x is 70x plus 10 into 60 is 600, which is equal to, cross multiply now, 1 into x square plus 20x, right? So now let's bring this to standard form. Here x square 20x minus 70x will give you minus 50x, right? So plus 600, when you bring to other side, it will be minus 600, which is equal to 0. Now you have a quadratic equation which is in the standard form, where a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 50 and your c is minus 600. So now apply the formula. We have x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So when you substitute the values, you will get x is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. So I hope you can do that. See that you get x is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. So this is it in this video. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section below. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.